My wife and I were very concerned about my daughter's performance in school. She had just finished Standard 4 and was in preparation for the SEA exams, but yet still she was struggling with some of the basic things in mathematics and comprehension. We thought about giving her extra lessons and perhaps having a personal tutor. My wife called one day and said she went through the newspapers and she found PTI, Personal Tutoring Institute, in Arima. And seeing, of course, that we lived not too far from Arima, right here in Dabity, we decided to give it a try. My daughter went every Saturday morning, and what we realized is that she was getting a personal training one on one. The classes were small, and yet so the academic was somewhat of a very intimate level, one on one, student and tutor. Immediately, we started to see the changes. We realized that she was catching on. Things that she would not even think about exploring, she was doing it with ease. Now, today, she has successfully passed for her first choice, which is Holy Name Convent. We want to thank the people at Personal Tutoring Institute for all that they've done as far as helping our daughter. And we recommend that anyone or everyone who really needs help, especially with their young ones taking that SEA exam and beyond, check out PTI.